I'm here to help. Super easy to start. Forget about 10-step skincare routines. 3 easy steps. Hello and welcome. My name is SZABO, a licensed skincare professional. So, you would like to start taking proper care of your skin but do not know where to start? No problem, I'm here to help. I'm not just going to explain every step, why and how to do it, but also show you how to make it super easy to start. I will also mention a bunch of my previous videos that can be very helpful for a beginner in skincare to find their way through the jungle of the modern market. So, first and foremost, forget about 10-step skincare routines, forget about purchasing 5 serums at once, and most definitely forget about trusting other people's judgment. Even as a professional, I never give my clients too many steps to follow to begin with, and only add extra steps when it is necessary. If you are new to skincare, start with 3 products: cleanser, cream and sunscreen, and only move forward when the usage of these 3 has become a habit. There is nothing worse than a skincare routine you do not do every day, and starting small is a good idea. First and foremost, cleanser. It is very important not to skip this step and not to use only water, as you do need to remove dirt and grime from your face. This is especially important for those of us with oily skin and city dwellers. Choose one mild foaming cleanser for makeup removal and everyday care in one. Now, many of you will ask me, how about double cleansing? For those of you who don't know, it means using an oil-based cleanser first and a water-based cleanser right after. Sure, if you have been following bloggers and different skincare communities, the double cleansing is huge there. But the double cleansing is nothing but a marketing tool to make you buy 2 cleansers instead of 1. I have already explained the chemistry behind it in a separate video. Do watch it to find out more. It will be somewhere around here. So, 1 cleanser is enough. Wash your face once if you do not wear makeup, and twice, one after the other if you do, to make sure your skin is completely free of makeup. At this point, most bloggers would give you a list of cleansers to choose from, but I am not here to advertise brands and their products to you. I am here to teach you to choose a good product on your own. I recommend to stick to foaming formulations as they are most versatile. Can wash makeup off, for instance, yes, even eye makeup, and are effective in washing dirt and grime off. And they also can be very gentle as well. For cleansers, we shall mainly concentrate on cleansing ingredients, as those are most important for this product type. So for those of you with very sensitive skin or dry skin, choose products with sodium cocaine glutamate and disodium cocaine glutamate. If the formula also has panthenol, sodium hyaluronate, or say a bit of urea, you have yourself a perfect cleanser. Stay away from perfume at all costs. If you have oily skin, teen or dry, if you do not know what I mean, go to my skin types video and find out your skin type. Your best cleanser friends are sodium cocoa amphoacetate and cocoa betaine. Tea tree oil and aloe vera gel will work very well to support the main ingredients. Now, to cream. It is very important that you choose a cream, not a serum, not an oil, and not a gel as your primary skincare tool. Why? Because naturally our skin also produces a cream. It emulgates sweat and oil it produces with ceramides from the dead skin cells to create a protective, creamy emulsion on the skin surface. If you wash your face and don't apply the cream right away, your skin will build up a new layer in the matter of 2 hours. Why use one then, you may ask? Because right after you wash your face, you have a chance to give the skin more. This is when we can give extra vitamins or reduce oil production or moisturize or tighten and lift the wrinkles or maybe build up a layer that will actually protect your skin for sensitive skin types. Now, choosing a cream is an art of its own, but I do have an easier way out for you. First and foremost, especially if you're a beginner in skincare, do not be shy to ask for a tester. It is possible that you will not find the perfect cream for the first time, and there is no problem with that. Also, I do suggest that you give preference to brands that provide testers for their skincare. Nowadays, there should not be any reason to buy a cat in the bag, and the more buyers will ask for testers and refuse to purchase without them, the sooner testers will become a norm. Second, for beginners, a simpler way to go would be to choose a biomimetic brand and to search for a cream there. Biomimetic is not the same as bio. Biomimetic basically means that it will use the ingredients that mimic the natural compounds of your skin and works with the natural processes in the skin. So the skincare can bring comfort and hydration to your skin pretty fast. Also, it is free of all irritants by default, so it is easier for you to choose. Again, I'm not here to promote any brands. You can find a good cream wherever you are. The algorithm is very simple. First step, define your skin type, video in the description box. Second, Google for biomimetic brands you can purchase in your area. Third, ask for as many testers as you can get for creams that match your skin type. And 4, use testers one a week at a time, not less than a week per cream. 5, if you feel very comfortable with the cream, give it a try long term. For most advanced skincare enthusiasts, check out what kind of ingredients there are in the cream. Google them, see what they are doing to your skin. Google the brand, see where they source their ingredients from. And there you have it! You treat skincare like a pro. You see, it is very important that these two main products, cleanser and cream, are good and suit your skin. They build up a base, so later, when you are ready to build on top of that base, you A, already have experience choosing good quality skincare, and B, have a stable routine that you are ready to follow on. It is truly incredible what a good cleanser and cream can do for you, and really do not need to start with more. Or you should. But this one is the easiest, sunscreen. While you are asking for those biomimetic brands for cream testers, ask them also for all sunscreen testers they have. Also, ask them if you have to put the sunscreen on top of the cream, or if it is a self-sufficient product you can use instead of the day cream. For starters, a self-sufficient product is usually way better. And then choose the highest SPF you possibly feel comfortable with on your skin. It's all done! 3 easy steps to create a really good base for your skincare routine. Use these products for at least 1 month before you add anything else. Let your skin get used to care. Would you like me to make a video which step to do next? Let me know in the comments, as well as any questions you may have. I read literally all comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell, or else YouTube will not show a video from this young channel to you. And stay young on the inside and on the outside, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!